In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add the YouTube icon directly to your desktop on any Windows PC super easy and fast. First, open any browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome for this tutorial. Now, go to www.youtube.com. Once YouTube is open, click the three dots at the top right corner of Chrome. Go to Cast, Save, and Share option. Click on Install YouTube. Now go to your desktop and you'll see the YouTube shortcut with the icon. You can rename it if you like. If you want quicker access, just right-click the icon and choose Pin to Taskbar or Pin to Start. And that's it. You've got YouTube just one click away on your desktop. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Catch you in the next tech tip, only here on IT Next.